Good afternoon, my name's Evan Morgan. I run a company called Wairarapa Mobile Media Blasting. We're based in the lower North Island of New Zealand. We're mobile, we go out to people's places and blast anything from cars, trucks, bridges, etc., anything like that. We use a variety of medias, from crushed glass right through to the heavy garnet for the steel, etc. In the time that we've been in business, for the last 3 years, we've found that we were getting a call to do a lot of smaller stuff in the way of motorcycle engines, car motors, anything that was aluminium, anything that was sort of delicate and needed more of a delicate blast. We thought, okay, we'll purchase ourselves a blast cabinet. So we looked at dry and wet blasting cabinets and we came across the Vixen. So we did an inquiry to Vixen in the UK and they were fantastic. We ended up purchasing a 1215 Aquablast out of the UK. Arrived in a real timely manner, well packaged, and has been an invaluable piece of equipment for our business. So what I'll do today is I'll show you what it can actually do. I've got a valve cover off a Nissan motor here. I'll put that into the Aquablast and we'll blast that, and you can see the difference between now and what it will look like once we've finished. Okay, so we'll pop that in there now. And as you can see, here is the finished product. All nice and clean, grease free, looking beautiful inside and out. Fantastic satin finish, ideal for just leaving like that or maybe repainting again. So once again, thanks Vixen for a fantastic machine. 1215 is invaluable and is going to help our business out immensely. Thanks very much.